There is a difference between people coming from Northcoders and people coming from university. I'll start with the similarity though, they're all equally as talented. My name is Chrissy. I am Talent Acquisition Partner for Dematic. I always say at careers fairs that Dematic provide Christmas for us. If there was no Dematic, there'd be nothing in our stores and nothing would arrive at our doorsteps on time for Christmas.
Dematic is essentially a logistics company. We automate warehouses, we'll write the code that goes beneath everything. We're the reason why you get a next day delivery next day rather than in a week. My name's Beth Stansfield. My position at Dematic is I'm the onboarding trainer, so I take the new starters and I take them through a 4-week bootcamp. I'd definitely say that Northcoders hands us over some good software developers. They're usually quite intimidated by C at first because they've gone from something nice like JavaScript to something not so nice like C, but they pick up on it quickly. It's like learning languages, if you learn French, Italian is easy, so it's quite similar to that, but yeah, they've always been good. They've got a logical brain, which means that they can code.
So the relationship with Northcoders started around 4 years ago. We took on our first, I think 2 or 3 very, very quickly Northcode graduates who did absolutely brilliantly. We were so surprised at how they just seemed to get it. So it went on from there as well. We've got quite an alumni now, dozens and dozens of ex-Northcoders working here at DAI Dematic. There is a difference between people coming from Northcoders and people coming from university. I'll start with the similarity though, they're all equally as talented. However, with Northcoders, they tend to come with a bit more life experience. They maybe had a career change or even having to hold down a job whilst they're sort of funding Northcoders. They come with a bit of life resilience, ability to communicate, to ask questions, and really, really thirsty for it. Less hand-holding, I would say.
So we've worked with Northcoders for many years. They've been a great source of talent for us coming in, and we're recruiting software people. Hi, my name's Nick Everett and I'm the HR Director for software at Dematic. The Northcoders people tend to come with much more life experience. They tend to have done a few different things before they've decided to move into software. We find that they've made a really conscious decision to move into software, and therefore they're really hungry to learn and they're really hungry to use the skills that they've got. We're very keen to be introduced to each cohort of Northcoders graduates that come through and explain what we do and see whether there's a good match with what we like. So we come along and we explain what the business is looking for. We'll then interview people and move through that process pretty quickly and hopefully be making some offers for the people we like.
What Northcoders actually learn is a passion for coding, how to attack questions and problems and logistics, and they're problem solvers, so that when they come here and they learn a completely new tech stack, they've got that resilience and that thirst for learning, that really, really helps them. A lot of people at Northcoders as well come from a background where they've perhaps graduated or not even been to university, but gone and got quite a lot of life experience. So when they come to us, they're great at self-starting, asking questions, communicating. It works really well for the type of work that we do.
I really enjoyed working with the Northcoders people. They really got and understood what we were trying to do, and they were very easy to work with. I'd absolutely recommend anybody to work with them in the future.